My name is Nicholas Michaud, and I'm the co-director of the Academy of Dance Arts. So we're the Academy of Dance Arts, and we provide all kinds of different dance classes for children ages 3 to 18 as well as adults. We teach ballet, modern, contemporary, jazz, tap. What sets us apart from other dance studios? I would say firstly the size of our facility. We have over 10,000 square feet. We have 5 fully equipped dance studios. We have 1 fully equipped Pilates studio. The quality of our equipment is also, I think, what sets us apart. We have like the highest quality dance flooring you can get. Probably the main thing that sets us apart would be the quality of our teachers. CSAV helped enhance our business because when we first moved to this facility, we had so much sound spilling over from studio to studio due to the metal ceilings that we have. The sound was just bouncing around like crazy. And we had to even adjust our schedule slightly so that certain classes would not be in a studio opposite another studio. When we made the decision to invest in the sound panels from CSAV, it enabled us to use our space more fully. So as a business investment, it was a huge, huge help. Oh, the team I was working with was awesome, super responsive, answered all my questions thoroughly. They made multiple visits out to the facility to make sure like everything was going according to plan. And to also point out any specifics that we had questions about. The installation itself, I believe, was done in one or 2 days. It was pretty much the most efficient operation I could have hoped for. I'm extremely pleased with the services CSAV Systems provided. It was really everything I hoped for.